Laundry detergent.
Laundry.
Come.
If it make a go.
It got money. Look at my baby. Smell my baby. I'm sure you are my baby. We are. I'm sure you're my baby. You're my baby. I'm sure you're
I burn out infestant. Nah, burn you. Nah, burn you. That means you're infected.
I know that. It's just to top skin.
You ready? Actually, you're on fat. So my hand me glass, so me have to say my hand me glass. Actually, you're on fat. No cool if you.
You put one on? Bye-bye.
Me a cool you for you.
It start burning now.
It a burn now? I mean a cool you for you? Me a cool you.
You're keeping a turkey.
Me a cool you for you hot. Where blood there? Looking at that pink something there, you see one sitting, can't come. One fingernail clip, it's small, can't come.
What's that burning?
Start burning. Look at yellow where you put something them. I'm not see fingernail clip in the bar. What the case or something them there? The ointment and the band-aid. Come on, I left here, me not just sitting now. You take a cycling and the band-aid. The band-aid there. Come now, let me see it now.
What?
I can't pick it now. I don't know where yellow put the bag. Yellow pass the bag.
Oh, the bag then?
Yeah, I must have bag them here talk. Do you want to take off the skin? Shall I pass the fingernail clip?
Take off the skin and put on my head. Top.
Ooh. Alright. Now you no, yeah, see it, make it stay.
Medical Jesus.
No, you not pass it. Which one of them to put? Beside band-aid. More want your ointment. I will go take off it. I'm going to dress you up, you know. Wrap up your hand. Kabwai. And the this is one.
And then you put something on it.
This is one. Oh.
Dizziness, nausea.
What is that? The you see the you see the no man, you know me the one. The band-aid. You know, where band-aid out there, so? Not the band-aid, yellow, the fingernail clip. Come here so with it. Come here so with it. Adapt here there, you know. Put on the tablet. Come person. Come. Put on your iPad. With the adapter here there, you know. Wait there. Make it again and you pass it. The inner yes, so I don't know how.
Band-aid?
No, not the band-aid. Come here, Peanut. Peanut, come here. Pass the scissors, give me.
This?
The scissors. See it there. You're going to cut you off his skin. Come on, man. Me not like skin, me a cut.
Hi.
Look, pan Peanut. Shall I talk to you? Peanut I talk to you about something.
Why don't we go to a real doctor?
Relax. Yeah.
You want this there at this one?
What? I saw my job after that. Maybe babes. Oh, cheat there.
Is it?
You see his skin there? It hot? I cut my cut it, you know? Yeah, I got honesty. Hold your hand. You let talk to you.
Doctor,
You let you not talk to Barber about something. Tell him say if him have shookums, don't I see you. If him have shookums, don't I see you.
you know for mix up with the dog them.
Exactly. I'm a poodle.
No, you know mix up with pop and then dog them. Always in them cage.
Alright.
But now, man.
I want poodle.
You never know.
I want poodle dog.
No, for mix up like to legs in them and then dog.
Is that the eggplant thing?
Yeah.
I told you funny man.
Hold it on. Come on, man, I put the foolishness.
It's alright. Wait till I know what. Get up your
See you.
mind.
Oh, that's the. Where did
So
you
I
lie to
meant.
me? Where did you lie to me? Where did you lie to me?
Why would I lie to you?
That was an ointment.
You said the ointment. No, that's what the
Think to clear.
yeah, the something for.
It's cool.
It feels rock hard.
Bye-bye.
Come now, man, me a doctor yan, man.
You want some life?
So hold.
Bless myself.
Bless my baby. Come.
Thank you, Al.
Me this morning.
Come and focus. You the physic?
This morning.
What did you?
Never in a bandage, that's one bandage.
Right there.
Give me the big
Never
one.
forgive.
Him want the big one, him say.
That's just good.
What did you, my babes? What did you?
No.
But
You did a vomit? Eh? Does ever feel good? Sorry, God. Some man's gonna get it. Come on.
Alright.
Come now, man. Babes, come, man. Focus. Come, my babes. Come now.
Alright, good.
None of you born half mad. Come full of on, man.
it wasn't that bad.
I know, that's why I said hold your hand. Boy. The love I'm feeling, I got double it, bit no?
You know what?
Serious.
Come now, man. eat them band-aid yesterday, barber. Then fool.
More band-aid I use?
More band-aid me I use for them an idiot band-aid.
Hey. How much?
All 5 of them, you know, that plaster up your hand. And so you come find out the doctor wrap you up.
The nose band-aid wrap.
Yeah, but we can't get that one day. Because we don't have no pin feet. You have it, you know. You got bandage up your hand, don't worry. Wait. You want this? Eh?
Shouldn't we just do that earlier?
No.
Okay.
Come.
I only play is wrong, man.
Take scissors here.
Let it go, Jordan.
I'm more than
Actually, your hand not spraying nothing, not dry tight. We want the bandage to keep. I saw doctor rub it behind, you know. Hey, the doctor. Come. On, up my hand. Banda sitting again. Come now, focus now. Remember your hand, sick, relax your hand. It's free?
Yes, it's free.
Yeah, because I can't tighten it and not spray your hand spring. Come put them in a garbage bin. Him, come. Them in a bin. You not put them on the counter. Not spray the hand spray, you come a doctor. Eh?
The family bonding.
The family band. Yeah, we family banding, you know that's already. What you say? Never want band? Eh?
What the dog?
We have to band. Okay, I told you, you have to.
The Chiani.
And you too.
Me?
Yeah, you're part of the family, come.
What are you doing? How much? Because we need the guns.
I'm not playing no match.
Why?
Because me not playing none.
Because why not?
Because today's my anniversary and I'm going out later.
Oh, really?
With Akeem.
Okay.
Put this in the bin. Put this in the bin. I might well, you can have the ointment. You can take the ointment out. Because we always got cuts and stuff like that. So throw that in the bin and give her the ointment. You can take it home. This little.
Thank
So if you get cut, you can rub on your and our peanut and anyone on the hand.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.